Oh yeah, Martin here. I hope you're all well and you've had creative summers up here in the northern hemisphere and winters if you're down south in the southern hemisphere. It's been a crazy summer, and as you have probably noticed, I haven't posted a video since May, so I'm really sorry about that, but work with Hampshire Sheen and stuff has just been absolutely bonkers, and other than that, through a bit of July and most of August, I've actually taken a little bit of a break from filming, as you would have seen, but I have been active in other areas of social media such as Facebook and Instagram and stuff. Plus I've been spending some fantastic time with my kids and family. But now it is the 1st of September and I am back behind the lathe, which is in the workshop just over there behind me, and I've got a project video lined up on the lathe ready to turn for you this afternoon. I'm really looking forward to it. I've got a small raft of videos planned for the coming season, including some Christmas decorations and some other bits and pieces as well, including using the woodcut bowl saver and the woodcut carving jig, which I'm really looking forward to having a go at, because they've been in the workshop for ages and I just haven't had the time to get onto them to actually use them and do a project video with them to show you how they're used and also what I do with them. So this is just a really short video, as you can tell, because I'm about to sign off, and I will see you very soon, probably tomorrow, for the project video that I have on the lathe at the moment. Cheers guys, good to see you again, bye for now.